Why do academics leave Germany? Data, not feelings. Well, except my feelings, as I'm so special. The video is partly a reflection of my own experiences. Well, we are getting close to Christmas, a time of reflection. Moreover, we want to explore the wider issues based on data. However, as you will see, data availability can be a tricky subject. There are certainly plenty of news items focused on the alleged brain drain, that is, scholars leaving Germany. So I just mentioned here 2 newspaper articles, but there are many more. It's interesting to note that these articles refer to estimated numbers of scholars leaving Germany. These estimates tend to be based on survey data. There are many issues in terms of reliability, and there are various biases. These biases include the non-response bias or self-selection problems and so on. Official statistics rely on certain activities. For instance, if you leave Germany permanently, you're supposed to indicate the move to local authorities. You have to deregister. In German, die Abmeldung. Once you do that, your move is registered. However, many decide not to deregister for various reasons, so they do not enter the migration statistics. It can be useful to have a registration to renew passports, national identity cards, or driving licenses. However, one needs to be careful regarding tax implications, and this can be a complex issue. Moreover, if you want to use services provided by German embassies in relation to renewing documents, you must demonstrate that you deregistered in Germany. Finally, many reports and statistics about scholars leaving Germany have been published by organizations that are not necessarily independent entities. So for instance, the German Scholar Organization or Initiative GAIN have certain agendas. Based on official statistics, there are a few hard facts. First, net migration has been positive, also considering qualification levels. There is little evidence regarding a brain drain. In most cases, there is evidence that scholars return after 2 to 3 years on average. It is very common to do a postdoc phase and then return to Germany for a long-term position. So what is my lived experience? Certainly, I have noticed that timing matters. In my case, I entered the academic job market in 2003 and 2004. Germany had just introduced the so-called junior professorship. It was an attempt to make it easier to plan an academic career. Well, I'm not convinced it actually worked, but I'll leave this for another video. In the German case, you need a full professorship, a chair, to have a permanent or tenured position, to be precise. In many alternative systems, this is not the case. For instance, in the UK, a permanent position can be achieved as a lecturer after completing a 1-year or 3-year probationary period. Of course, one needs to note that a permanent contract in the UK system is not a tenured position in the German civil service. So there is quite a big difference. If you have any questions about these differences, please leave a comment and share your own lived experience. In my case, the move to junior professorships contributed to a very limited number of job openings in 2003 and 2004. Furthermore, discipline matters. My PhD focused on economic history, which is definitely a very niche market. Networks also matter. In my case, I had a more international focus. Does money matter? I would argue early in an academic career, the focus is more on getting in, getting a job. money, pensions, assets, taxes, and so on matter a lot more over time. In my case, I moved to the Netherlands in 2004 and returned to Germany in 2006, so this is in line with the empirical evidence. But I did not join a German university, I worked at McKinsey at that time. Finally, I left again in 2007 and I moved to the UK. Will I return? Well, the issue is time does not really stop. Migrants who left Germany 10 or 15 years ago are far less likely to return. Your networks simply diminish by natural selection over time. And then financial and family matters add a lot of complexity and cost. Happy holidays, everyone! Have a lovely Christmas break. Based on my plan, I should enjoy Christmas in India, not Germany. I think it's dinner time. Kana me kya hai? May the force be with you.